exciting third season of Roller Coaster C/D. We are here today at the brand new Lost Island theme park for the entire third season, hopefully. And we're gonna start it off with a little moderate thrill on the Dream Spinner. Should be a lot of fun. Okay, here we go. Okay, not gonna go as high as we did on the Storm Chaser, but overall pretty good panoramic view from out here. There's that coaster but still a pretty good thrill. Whoa. Oh. Do not extend legs. So probably shouldn't. Oh my God. If this is what we get for swinging in the waves, just like what we would do on a Lost Island, I would get my wish. It's what we call a moderate thrill, but it's a thrill nonetheless. And we're already done. The swing is now coming to an end. Wow. But hey, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching and riding. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.